This is the Makera Z1 CNC machine. It looks freaking awesome.
The Makera Z1 performed well and exceeded my expectations.
Like, I'm shocked at how well built this thing is, how well designed it is. It looks incredible.
Yesterday I received delivery from Makera. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, I love that sound.
Very cool.
I've never owned a CNC mill. I was pleasantly surprised how easy it was to do basic cuts.
You can see how easily this machine handles hardwood. It's not a problem at all. The cut is really crisp and smooth.
Aluminium moulds can handle just about whatever detail you can imagine up and cut into them.
And this machine has fully supported linear rails on all three axes, supported by a solid single-piece die-cast aluminium frame, which makes it all really stiff, and that's why it performs quite well when cutting aluminium.
You can machine polycarbonate, plastic, wood, everything, really. It's really, really good.
And this is what it looks like straight off the machine. And to be honest, first impressions are really good. The surface finish looks really nice and the chamfers are super clean. You can see that the finished product is pretty nice. The machine handled this oak and birch plywood excellently with a really good surface finish.
Finished piece. I think it looks beautiful. Really nice quality. Really smooth surfaces. Actually quite amazing when you look at it.
But more importantly, what does the accuracy look like? The Z1 actually comes in the most accurate 0.05mm for most features, and I found that this sort of accuracy is more than enough for 90% of the projects.
This is our little Astro truck. And from what I can say is that the Z1 is a perfect add for my laboratory.
I love CNC machining. It's just so cool. It sits right at the intersection of all of my favourite parts of engineering. The new Makera Z1. A desktop CNC machine that aims to make the technology more accessible without compromising on performance. The machine's relatively inexpensive, which is a comparable price to a high-end 3D printer.
Very, very good for the price because at under $1,200.
Makera is an established brand with a few larger and more expensive desktop CNC machines, so a relatively affordable entry-level desktop CNC from a company with a good track record.
On a CNC machine. Are you thinking about getting one?